Hey everyone, in this video lecture series, we'll start with a new language which is C programming. So we will go to each topic one by one. First, I will describe the syllabus to all of you. First, we will briefly understand what is C programming. Then, we will cover some basic concepts like variables and data types and data types. Then, we'll go to the control flow. What that means? That means we will be going through some conditions like if and as conditions, loops, break and continue statement. And then we will go to functions, then arrays. Uh, then we'll be left with pointers, and finally, I think we'll uh, we'll cover structures, unions, and file handling. There are also advanced topics, but in this video lecture series, we will be only covering the beginner part of C programming. Okay, so let's first start with the intro. And you have noticed that while on this compiler, so basically I'm using an online compiler. You can use compiler of your choice like VS Code and some other compilers like Sublime, etc. And whenever we use this double slash, whatever lines we write after it will get commented. That means our compiler will not compile it. So, so first let's start with the introduction. So what is C programming? So C programming basically a programming language which is used to communicate with the computer, which is used to execute commands with to the on the computer. And in it we will start with variables now. So before jumping on to variables, I will first write a sample program through which you will get familiar with this language. So this is a simple program in which we will going to print a line. Sorry for the disturbance. So now I'm writing a code. For now you just have to look onto the code. You don't have to understand it. I will explain it later because my main motive is to just show you how the C program is written, what is the basic syntax. So this is the library of standard input output. This is the main function. Inside this, we'll write this statement. This will print onto the console, and finally we'll end it with return 0. And I will run it. So as you can see that this line hey there, which is enclosed in this double inverted quotes, is printed. So what this program means? So first of all, we have used this include keyword for including this library stdio.h, which is the library which contains standard input and output functions like printf and scanf. These are input and output functions which we are using. What is the function? We will discuss this later. So, and here we have used another function main. The name is main, and the data type which we have used is integer. That is, this function will return integer data. There are different data types like int, char, double, etc. I will explain you each of them one by one later. And then we have returned inside this main. So we have then used curly brackets, and this complete statement is enclosed within the curly brackets. And the printf means whatever inside it will be printed onto the console.